Today we will learn about color mixing. This is red, color red. This is blue, color blue. And if we mix red and blue, what will we get? We will get the color purple, purple. So, red plus blue will give us purple. Red plus blue will give us purple. This is blue, the color blue. This is yellow, the color yellow. And if we mix blue and yellow, what will we get? We will get green, the color green. So, blue plus yellow will give us green. Blue plus yellow will give us green. This is red, the color red. This is yellow, the color yellow. And if we mix red and yellow, what will we get? We will get orange, the color orange. So, red plus yellow will give us orange. Red plus yellow will give us orange. This is red, the color red. This is yellow and this is blue. And if we mix red, blue and yellow, what will we get? We will get black, the color black. So, red plus yellow plus blue will give us black. Red plus yellow plus blue will give us black. This is red. This is white. Red and white. And if we mix red and white, what will we get? We will get pink, the color pink. So, red plus white will give us pink. Red plus white will give us pink. This is black, the color black. This is white, the color white. And if we mix black and white, what will we get? We will get grey, the color grey. So, black plus white will give us grey. Black plus white will give us grey. This is black, the color black. This is orange, the color orange. And if we mix black and orange, what will we get? We will get brown, the color brown. So, black plus orange will give us brown. Black plus orange will give us brown.